Greetings, my name is Melinda Mitchell. I am the founder, CEO, and head curator for the Museum of Mortality. If you'd like to learn more about the museum, please visit our website at www.museumofmortality.com. You will also find us on Facebook, Instagram, and now on YouTube. Welcome everyone. The doctor's bag that I just posted a picture of actually came with stuff in it, so we are going to open it up and take a look at what is in this bag. So this is an informational page, a questionnaire that came from the Navy. We currently have some green tasseling. I'm not exactly sure what it is. We'll have to take a look. So we're going to gently move that aside. Let's see, we have a really old ace bandage. We've got some other cotton bandaging, a round square candle. Looks like we've got some thread, some sutures, silk suture braid, as well as more suture braid. I'm just going to gently offload. So we're going to move some of the bandaging. So there's quite a bit of bandaging in here. So I'm trying to be gentle as to not knock the other things out of place. I've already cleaned the table, so there's no oils or anything on it. Looks like this is a tourniquet. Somebody put in some old rubber gloves. Some more bandaging. We've got gauze tape, fabric scraps, old metal tin, which we'll take a look at in just a moment. I've got more bandaging, so we're just going to gently add that to the pile. And oh boy, lots of stuff. The leather on the inside of this bag is starting to fall apart. Leather on the outside of the bag is too. Let's take a look at another case here. And then we've got some medicine bottles. Another old case here. Looks like that one might be for some leeches or something. Ear horn, kind of like an old stethoscope. Bunch of tools. Funnel. Just going to gently offload here. Oh yeah, well, I'm used to seeing some of these already, thanks to my friend Jimmy, who does all sorts of fun things with surgical tools. I'll have to lay all the tools out and then have him tell me what all they are, besides bladed weaponry or not. Let's see, there's something in here that I think you guys might find interesting. There we go. This is so exciting. I'm so glad I actually get to share this with you, because I have not looked in this. Oh, trip hand. Oh my gosh, there's like so many tools in there. I'm gonna have to dig these all out and like lay them out. There's so many cool things in this bag. But I'm gonna pull out one of these and show you. And then it looks like there's another. Oh, well, this is like a whetstone. No, it's a case. It's a case. It's another case. Okay. So we've got several cases that we need to open. A lot more tools and saws and bloodletting pans, I think. Oh, this is just so exciting. Okay, so I'm gonna pause this and get my other glove on so I can show you these cases open. So give me a second. Okay, so this little black case, turns out it is a medicine scale. They would set this up in order to dish out what they were looking at here. So it's in a beautiful black velvet case. So we're gonna set that gently off to the side. Now we've got, it looked like a whetstone just because of the pitting on the metal. It's got a simple little button. Let's see if I can get this one to open. Okay, trying to do this one-handed. Hold on a second. Pause. Oh, it's not going to let me pause, so because I'm wearing gloves on both hands. So I'm going to set this down. You can stare at the tools for a second. Here we go. This is a syringe. It's a portable metal syringe with two different needles in it. They probably clipped in up here. So that is extremely well conditioned. Now we've got our fun little metal ones here. So let's see if we can get these guys to open. I'm going to have to use two hands again. So let's see if I can get this to pause this time. Okay, I did have to use two hands. This one ended up with having a couple of needles in there, as you can see. I did have the holes in it, so whatever it needed to breathe. This one looks like it's a matchbox with a striker on it. So that's what's in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually go through and lay out everything and take photos of it for you, so that way you can see everything laid out that was in this doctor's bag. But I wanted you to share in my excitement in opening the bag for the first time and actually looking in to see what kind of goodies we ended up with for the museum. So thank you for watching this video on some of the new items for the Museum of Mortality. If you liked the video that you saw today, go ahead and click that little button down there that says subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. Make sure to share it with all of your friends. See you next time with Museum of Mortality.